Welcome to another episode. I went to pick up the materials. I have everything there. I think like if I manage to finish a project in one afternoon, and I can put the dirt in it and I can plant the plants and I can liberate some of the dahlias that I have here that they are in desperate need to get planted, that'd be good. So let's get started. So this is gonna be it. I basically need to cut it like that. For sure, the dogs run on it. It needs to be really flat. Kenzo! Oh my goodness. You guys, you need to leave. Go, 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 go. Go, go. To hold them together, basically. So it's doesn't need to be exact. Okay, so now that we have the measurement, we're gonna cut this. So as you can see, I have all these dahlias that are falling down, that are getting full of water. So some are not going well because of it. Some they are falling because of it's too hard for them to stand. And some are flowering already and they're making amazing flowers. This is going to be amazing. This one too is flowering. There's so many that have so many buds, but they're not looking in their greatest shape, obviously, because this dog is driving me crazy. Kenzo, I said, come here. Come here, Kenzo. Do you want to go inside? I'm going to put you inside of the house. You need to stay here, monkey. You understand me? You need to stay here. He wants to go because Alex left, but you need to stay here, Kenzo. He's looking there. Ada, what are you doing, monkey? Like I was saying, dead things that I need to take away. And these are the beams that I wanted to use initially. But I understand that it's a big project because I need to cut these beams into like planks and it's going to be a lot. So I've decided that this is a project for another day. I'm going to move these beams here and put them somewhere else over there because I'm going to build the 8 and the other one 8 here. And these are going to be the dahlias. Look how he's trying to escape. Kenzo, back. I really can't. I'm going to attach you, Kenzo. I'm scared you're going to go to the road. Come here. Kenzo, you listening to me? Oh my goodness. Anyway, so that's that. So now I have the little piece and what I'm going to do is like screw it. But I need the screwdriver, which I don't have. Let's go find it. You'll see what I'm trying to build because I have some that were already done by the previous owner of this house. He was a carpenter. I don't intend to be one. I'm just doing my best. So this is what he built. You can see this is what I'm trying to build, right? So this is 8 feet, same as this one. So I'm trying to build 2, but instead of side by side, I'm going to put them all the way. And you're going to think, why not 1 together? Well, if ever I get sick dahlias, I hope I can contain it in one of them instead of both of them being trashed. So I also got celosias. They're so beautiful. Orange, yellow, and this like intense red that I love. That I'm going to be planting here and growing big time celosias. It's going to be very pretty. Let's see if we find the drill. This is the other project that honestly I should have continued today. Wake up early, start working at 6. I did not. I procrastinated. I've been procrastinating. I'm sad my mom's not here helping me. And I'm scared that there's a snake in here. So yeah, let's see. Let's hope it's not there. Because I'm going to freak out. Kenzo, come here. The other time, like I did like this and the snake fell down. And I almost had a heart attack. And since then, I'm very scared. Because I know the snake once leave there. Because can you see there's a snake skin over there? There's the drill. I need to somehow get in. But I am panicking. So now what I'm going to do is like mark the 4 feet mark. Because that's the middle where I need to put, just because aesthetically speaking is going to look better. first one done. Thankfully, I had another one. I don't always have two things of the same item. I have finished the two planks and now I'm gonna do the sides, and then it's gonna come the complicated piece, which is putting it all up and together. Wish me luck. You know, guys, I'm having a big debate. I feel the pool is calling me. It's such a beautiful day. There's sun, it's a Sunday afternoon. So nice. I definitely want to finish all this so that I can plant the dahlias, but the tranquility, the peaceful time, so full of life, so beautiful. Guys, there we have it. So we need the finishing touches, and yeah, look at this, baby. You don't need to fill in everything in here with, so I'm gonna put some like branches and stuff. Here is my raised bed. I've put these and left the middle to breathe. Let's see how long the storm lasts.